Hello, this is Dr. Sanjeev Rao. I am MDS in oral and maxillofacial and reconstructive surgery. I have been practicing hair transplant, lasers, cosmetic as well as aesthetic procedures since last 8 years. Well, so this was our first day of our workshop, and we are at our center, Delhi, that is Geneva, and of our first day we have completed this case. We have already uploaded the hairline designs and all. The way we have planned, and we have executed in the same way, that we have given around the same thing, the frontal tuft, the definitive zone as you can see, and up to the first half of the crown we have gone. The second half of the crown that we have already planned it for after 6 months due to the graft. We were not having that much of graft. So we have planned the surgery after 6 months again to complete the full crown. And within 6 months we will have a very nice growth over here. So lot of things are depends, but we'll ask our patient like what he is feeling and how is कैसा रहा आपका, कोई पेन वगैरह कुछ ये, कोई पेन बहुत अच्छा था, कुछ घबराहट वगैरह हुई या कुछ इसमें ये हुआ जब बाल आपके पीछे से निकाले उस समय में जो एनेस्थीसिया वगैरह दिए तो उसमें आपको कोई ज्यादा दिक्कत, कोई ज्यादा पेन, और सामने की तरफ फिर आपका जब काम हुआ तो उसमें भी कोई आपको दिक्कत? चलिए, अच्छा लगा आपको? अच्छा लगा। अभी भी ठीक लग रहा है? कोई आपको घबराहट वगैरह कोई दिक्कत? So this is what we have completed. As you have already seen, the density is also very nice. So a long-term follow-up also will be taken in the near future. The one thing I want to add here, whatever the things we have done, the people, whenever you do the hair transplant, you should always place a nice covering for this in the frontal region, so that there won't be any edema over the eye, it will not come, or there won't be any swelling and all. So what I advise normally is to give 2 to 3 layers of tight dressing over there, so that nothing comes out to your eyes. That's how we can manage, and don't keep one, because as soon as the patient goes, we normally advise him for the saline, normal saline to be put it like for the next 24 hours or for the next 36 hours we will advise. So if you are putting a micropore or a tape and it is a single one, so till the next morning it will get removed by the use of the saline or the water. So it is always advised to give 2 to 3 layers of tight dressing, so that it won't get removed and there won't be any drooling, any edema that is coming to the eyes, or there won't be any swelling, because that's how it creates a lot of problem, and the patient complication also starts by that. And normally the patient also asks you that after doing the hair transplant, why did I have all those swellings and all, and it is very important that to maintain this dressing. A lot of things are there. So thank you, and we will up to date our next case for tomorrow very soon. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our videos. If you want more videos, do like, share and subscribe.